Understanding the phrase, set you back, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used English phrase, set you back. This phrase can be a bit confusing for English learners, but fear not. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in everyday conversation. So, let's dive in. Set you back is an idiomatic expression that means to cost someone a certain amount of money. It's often used in casual, informal conversations, especially when discussing purchases. For example, if you buy a new phone, you might say, "This phone set me back $500. This means the phone cost you $500. To help you grasp the concept, let's look at some examples. 1. Buying my new car set me back a few $1,000s. This means the car was quite expensive. 2. The recent repairs on the house really set us back. Here, it implies that the repairs were costly. 3. How much did your vacation set you back? This is a casual way of asking about the cost of the vacation. It's important to note that set you back is not used for emotional or time costs. It's strictly used in the context of financial expenses. For instance, you wouldn't say, "The delay set me back an hour," for time delays. That usage would be incorrect. There are slight variations of this phrase that you might hear, such as, "It set me back a bit." This implies a significant but not specified amount of money. "That will set you back," often used to warn someone about the high cost of something. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, set you back. Remember, it's all about the context of money and expenses. I hope this video has been helpful and has set you forward in your English learning journey. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in your conversations. See you in the next video.